guys. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome biggity back, y'all. Hey, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. My name is Kelsi, and I'm here for you guys every Sunday and Wednesday, sometimes less, sometimes more, to talk about my VS journey and other things. As you guys can tell from the description of this video, this is going to be a massive Shein haul. I begged my honey to buy me some clothes because I am fully addicted to Shein, and it came in a box this time. I'm sure they were like, what is this lady got going on? Shein, if you want to sponsor me, please. By this point, I spent like $500. So I'm not going to talk too long. I am going to get into the pieces. I'm going to try them on for you guys. I haven't looked at anything. I just opened the box for the thumbnail and to explain it in this video. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some leggings and try these on for you. I hope you guys like them. I hope I like them too. Let's go. All right, so this is the first item, and this is a super oversized sweater. A little bit about the fabric up front. It is very, very, very dense. It's very soft. The sleeves are a little bigger than my preference, but you know, it is Shein. So I'm gonna take a step back and show you guys how this looks. And let me see the size I got this in. I got this in a 3X. So this is a 3X. Either I've gotten really small or this is just really big. Anyways. So it's definitely oversized, definitely roomy. I love it so much. Like, I really do. With the belt, this is going to be the absolute most cute sweater for the holidays. I really, really, really like this sweater. It is in a pretty gray. Like I said, it's not itchy. And it's thick enough, but thin enough, like there's enough breathable room to where I don't feel suffocated. I love it so much. Tell me what you guys think. I feel like this would be cute with a pair of boots and some leggings. This could also be worn, I mean, depending on how froggy you feel, you can put a belt on this and wear this by itself. Listen, I really like this. So this is the first item in my haul, and I'm loving it. All right, second item. It's the same item, just in a different color because I liked it so much. Same thing with the sleeve. This is truly an oversized sweater. So I'm going to step back, let you guys. If you can't see, Peach is here and she just yells at me. So this is a pink sweater. It's like a dusty rose. Same type of sweater, same size as 3XL. It is kind of see-through, as you can kind of see my body here, but I mean, it's nothing to be upset about. I love it so much. Like I said, the same thing with this one as with the gray one. It is a very well-made sweater, very dense but breathable. Oh, okay, it's a design. I like it. I'm gonna keep it. Tell me what you think about it. I just really feel like I need some pink leg warmers or a little belt. I really like these. I love them so far. I've been waiting for like 3 weeks for this order, so I'm so excited. All right, so the next item is a shirt. It is not a sweater. I was a little nervous buying it because I was like, what if it's too short? But I do like it. This is a asymmetrical peplum-like shirt. I did start a new job, so I wanted some more business casual, more professional looking clothing. I love it so much. It's not too short, so my midsection isn't showing. It's really cute. It comes with this belt. The only thing about it is it's very loose here. So either I'm going to have to pin it or find a way to make it so that it stays. I like it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it about a 7. I'm not like fully blown away with it, but I do like the way it looks. It looks very professional. It looks very chic. So maybe when I get it into an outfit, I'll feel a little bit different. Let me know what you think. All right, so this is my next item, and this is my first dress. It's in this beautiful dusty rose color. I feel like there was a theme to my order, and I didn't even realize it. It has these really pretty white polka dots, and this neck tie here. I don't know if it ties in the front or in the back. I'll have to look at the picture, but it does seem like it would be, you know, feasible to tie in the front. But, you know, I don't know, whatever. You know, Shein is a little different with their clothing design, but I'm going to step back and let you guys see. Make sure I don't run over Peach. But yes, I didn't take off my leggings, but I do like the dress. The only thing I'm running into is the clothing is a little big. I'm typically used to Shein running like true to size, and the stuff is a little bigger than I would prefer. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to return some of it, but I really like this dress. It's like a polyester fabric. So yes, it is long enough. It comes all the way to my knee. I feel like this would be pretty with, you know, the right shoe. I do really like this dress though. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I would definitely give this a 7. It hasn't really hit that. I haven't really got anything that I like as much as the sweaters, but we still have a few items left. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. All right, so here's the next item. It's a really cute peplum style shirt that I almost could wear as a dress. I'm telling y'all, this stuff really came true to size. Everything was in a 3 or a 4X. I probably could have sized down a bit. Hang on. Got Shein paper on my foot. So I'm going to step back and let you guys see. It's almost like a Dalmatian or a cow print. I'm not necessarily sure, but when I saw it on the model online, I was like, I've got to have it because it's really, really, really cute. So stepping back, you see, I really like it, but it's like it's almost too big. So I guess it just depends. Like it could be worn as a dress depending on the time. So as far as like shape, I'm not feeling this either. I really, really wanted to like this, but it's just, it's too big. I definitely should have sized down at least to a 2X, maybe smaller. I'm really used to Shein clothes running small, but this ain't nothing in this order been other than the size that I ordered. But yes, this is the shirt. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I'm kind of disappointed, you guys, because this is my first Shein order that I'm like, yeah, it's not very like flattering for my shape. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I would definitely give this a 4. I'm irritated because it stinks. It does not smell good. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm so upset. All right, so this is the next item, and I do believe that this is a sweater dress. It's in a like a pink and a cream, like a, I would say like a dusty rose, more of like a mauve rose. I don't know. Kind of reminds me of the strawberry and the vanilla ice cream in a Neapolitan. But let me step back. This is so cute. It is like half pink, half white, you know, a moment. I really like this dress, but I'm gonna hurry up and take this off. Y'all, this stinks so bad. It smells almost like mildew. I'm so irritated. All right, so here's the next item. I feel like this is probably one of the better fitting items. This is a dress. I'm gonna step back, and it's just a plain black dress that has like the ruffle accent. It's kind of almost like the green one that I had in my last haul, but without the tie. I like it. It fits more realistically like a 3X. The others were just way too big. It doesn't have a weird smell. The fabric feels good. No complaints about this one. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a 8. I do like it. I feel like it'd be cute paired with some flats or some boots and a nice scarf. I definitely like this. I'm gonna keep it. So here's the next item. It's almost like the shirt that I got, but this is a dress. It is in a really nice black and white stripe print. So I'm gonna step back to let you all see. So this is a dress. I love it. It is a little big. It is a 3X, but I do like it. I think that it's flattering. I feel like it's, fitting enough for my shape. I don't feel like, it's too revealing. I feel like it's just enough. I do feel I could have sized down maybe to a 2X. I don't know, you guys. I'm just so disappointed. So this, on a scale of 1 to 10, I will give this a 7. I do like the sleeve accent. I really do. I do think I may keep this. I like it. It's, like I said, it fits. It's comfortable. It's pretty. I feel like it'd be good to wear to work. All right, so moving on to the next item. This is a dress. I really like it. It's in this beautiful rust color. It's almost like a boho chic style, but it is entirely too big. Like, it is swallowing me whole. I'm so disappointed, mainly because this is a part of the body dysmorphia, and I purchased all these clothes in a size that I just knew. Like, I even was gonna size up on some because I was like, those are gonna be too small, those are gonna be too small, those are gonna be too small. But it's evident I could have went down 1 or 2 sizes. But nonetheless, I'm still gonna try on everything in the haul. I really liked the style of this dress, the sleeves, the bell sleeves, and just like the overall cut of the dress. I thought it would have been really flattering. Definitely, like I said, it could be, it needs to go down 2 to 3 sizes, or I'm sorry, 1 to 2 sizes. Geez, 2 to 3 sizes. No, but I really like it. If it fit, I would have given this dress a 10. But there's nothing wrong with it. I feel like it's crafted very well. It's sturdy. The material feels great. It's just disappointing because it doesn't fit. Okay, so this is the second to last item in the haul. This one does fit a little bit better. I think I would have to wear it as a shirt because it is definitely too short to be a skirt. It's in this beautiful maroon or mauve color, so I'm going to step back and let you guys see. It is the same style of shirt. I don't know if it's supposed to be a dress or a shirt, but as you can see, it's entirely too short for me to wear as a dress, so I would wear it as a shirt. I love the bell sleeves. I am going to keep this one, but this one fits much, much, much better. It actually fits the way it's supposed to, or the way that I'm comfortable with. The other ones were just entirely too big. I really do like this. I'm going to keep this. I'm going to give this a 10 out of a 10. All right. So this is the last item of the haul, and luck would have it, this one does fit. It fits the best out of anything that I purchased this entire haul. I have to look and see what size it is. But I've been eyeing this dress for a while. I'm so happy that it fits. I'm happy that it's flattering. Of course, like I told you guys, I love dresses that cinch in right here and kind of flare out because they don't draw attention to my midsection. It's really comfortable. It's crafted well. I really like this. So this is definitely a 10 out of 10. I love this. I'm so disappointed because everything in this haul, possibly including my sweaters in the beginning, are gonna have to go back. I didn't realize how much I struggled with my body, and understanding that I am 100 pounds lighter. I think that I still feel and look and see and act as if I am 100 pounds heavier. So this was like a $180 order. Everything's going back except for this. Like I said, I never thought that I in my life would be like, hey, I've ordered a bunch of clothes and I have to send back 90% of them because they're too big. And I'm just disappointed. I'm really upset. This is just one of those moments where it's kind of like, like how, and my husband's like, did you not know your size? And I'm like, yeah, I ordered 3X's and 4X's. And he was like, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. I enjoy clothing. I enjoy purchasing new clothing, but everything is too big, and I am so upset. Like, I've been looking forward to this because I was like, I'm gonna have new work fall clothes. Nope, not the case. Everything gotta go back. Anyways, if you guys like the video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Become a member of my family. I would love to have you here. So sorry for my negative Nancy energy in this video. I'm just really upset about everything not fitting because I really wanted to have some cute clothes. But neither here nor there. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. You could have been anywhere else in the universe, but you chose to spend this time with me. I will put all of the information for the products that I purchased in the description box below, just in case you are interested. I love you guys, and I will check you out in the next video. Bye.